Garrison Brothers Cowboy Bourbon Release 2023. This is the 9th release of Cowboy, our first hazmat bourbon, 140.9 proof. We got 1,000 bottles that we're releasing here at the ranch this morning, and about 8,600 out in the wild.
I flew in last night from Orlando, Florida. It is my first release. It was exciting. Got to meet a lot of great folks. Some of them been here many, many times.
I flew in from Kentucky about 12:30 this morning so that we could get us a bottle of Cowboy bourbon.
Nancy and Dan's neighbor, so it's a real struggle for me to come park my truck up here and cheat.
We arrived here about 20 after 12, 5th or 6th in line.
The last 2 years, we have been to every release, everyone, not just the Cowboy.
We came down last night, got here a little bit before midnight. This is my 3rd release I've been to.
The taste, I mean, is amazing.
Yeah.
The story, the way that they persevered and their character, it rings true, and how they hold these events, like they come to it and the way that they greet you and care for you.
Flavor is very, very unique compared to a lot of the Kentucky bourbon.
I just enjoy the atmosphere and coming out here, and everybody's so friendly, and the live music.
We went to a dinner together, the Garrison brother pairing. That was our very first date. And then we came up here and bottled the next year, and he proposed to me.
I think, because it's Texas-based, it makes it more appealing.
Yeah, and puts bourbon on the map as far as Texas quality goes, and something to be proud of.
This is the 9th release of Cowboy bourbon. It's absolutely delicious. Sets fire to your tongue, and then your saliva puts out the fire. I hope you get one. There's about 10,000 bottles that'll be released nationwide. Thanks for supporting Garrison Brothers.